How to fix chat message limit reached on TikTok. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the chat message limit reached issue on TikTok. If you've been getting this error while chatting with friends or creators, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve it. First, let's talk about what the issue really is. When you see chat message limit reached on TikTok, it usually means you've sent too many messages in a short amount of time. TikTok limits the number of messages to prevent spam and maintain a safe experience for everyone. One of the simplest fixes is to simply wait for a while. The message limit isn't permanent. TikTok resets it after a certain amount of time. If you've hit the limit, just take a break from chatting for about 10 to 15 minutes and you should be able to send messages again once the cooldown is over. Another thing to check is if there's an update available for your TikTok app, just search for TikTok on your Google Play Store or App Store. And if there is an update available, simply update it. Now, if waiting or updating doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. This can help refresh the app and fix any temporary issues. To do this, you can go to your Android phone, open settings and go to go to apps and tap on TikTok and go to storage. Then click on clear cache. After that, restart the app and check if the issue is fixed. Sometimes this error can also happen due to weak internet connection. If your messages aren't sending properly, then it could be because of internet connection. Try switching the Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix the chat message limit reached issue on TikTok.